Reduce tooth stripping and enhance your Milwaukee M18 cutting performance with the professional MK Morse 1418 TPI Portaband blade. This quality, American-made Portaband is designed to boost power and performance while delivering fast, clean cuts in a variety of material. The 35 and 3/8 inch long Portaband blade will fit the Milwaukee M18 and will excel in cutting materials ranging from a 14 gauge up to an 1/8 of an inch thickness. The 1418 TPI blade cuts prime applications such as a rigid conduit for electrical, strut, threaded rod, and pipe. The teeth of the 1418 TPI blade are designed with an alternating tooth pattern which improves blade life, reduces stress, and leaves a clean, workable finish. This American-made blade is engineered to reduce problematic vibrations that strip teeth and cause blade chatter. At Sawblade.com, we manufacture quality American bandsaw blades that are made to order, and we offer an extensive line of sawing products. We also sell circular blades, coolant, machines, and aftermarket parts. So you can think of Sawblade.com as your one-stop shop for all your sawing needs. Thanks for watching, and please check out Sawblade.tv for more in-depth videos, product overviews, and tech tips to take your cutting game to the next level. I'm Celeste, product specialist at Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.